Hi, I'm Rachel, and welcome to my channel, La Bricoleuse, where I share tips, techniques, and equipment demonstrations from over 25 years working as a costume craftsperson. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use an electric styrofoam cutter. This one came from a local craft store, but I'll put a link in the video description to an online source. The tool looks similar to other handheld electric heat tools like mini irons or silk flower making tools. When you use any heat tool on any type of foam, make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. And check the safety data sheet for the foam for potential hazards. To demonstrate, I'll cut a styrofoam egg in half to sculpt a mask maquette on. For more information on maquettes, check out my video for how I make and use them in creating masks for performance. I've created a warning sign to be used in tandem with all equipment with heated metal elements. Caution, equipment may be hot. Wear leather gloves so you don't burn yourself on the tool. It gets pretty hot. Put out the warning sign so the tool won't burn someone else by accident. It cuts styrofoam by melting through it like a hot knife cuts butter. Leave the sign out after you use it while the tool cools down. You can use this to cut or carve various styrofoam shapes, like this foam wig head cut in half for use as a mask making base and reassembled with an insert to increase the head size. For more video demonstrations of equipment I use in costume making, check out this playlist. You might find something to streamline production in your own studio.